Finally, dumating na ang ating 8 pieces na LiFePO4 battery cells, ang ating 200 amperes na battery management system or BMS. At the same time, itong ating active balancer. So, ready na tayo para sa ating battery build. These LiFePO4 batteries are known for long lifespan, stable performance, high efficiency, at mass safe compared sa lead-acid batteries. Perfect po ito para sa ating solar setup at backup power systems. Gagamit din tayo dito ng 200 amperes na BMS or battery management system for protection against overcharge, over-discharge, short circuit, at high current loads. Then itong ating active balancer naman ay para mas balance ang bawat cell and para mas makunat ang ating battery life. Building your own battery is not just about saving money. It's about experience, it's about learning, it's about customizing your system at pag-build ng reliable power system na kaya mong i-maintain at i-upgrade in the future. Sa susunod nating video, we're going to test each cells kung magkapareho ba lahat ang kanilang mga voltage rating. If ever na hindi, we will be performing the cell balancing and then we are going to assemble our battery pack. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel, Ben's Critic Station. Thank you.